Hi, welcome to Whister Park. My name is Julie, and my job is to make sure you stay safe and are having an amazing time. To do this, I'll be keeping an eye on your vital signs as you move through the park. You're doing great! Keep up the awesome pace. You'll need to be running to take out that obstruction ahead. You're unstoppable! Whoa! I had no idea this building was even here.
Mr. Burke over at Facilities Management said the damage will take almost a month to repair. I told Burke that if the work had been done properly the first time, we wouldn't have this unnecessary and expensive delay.
By the looks of things, they were expecting to have a party, but no one showed up.
The cube measures about 6 inches on each side and doesn't appear to reflect any light whatsoever. We'll figure out what makes it tick.
I've never seen anything like this. It's beautiful. The pond is empty. What did Dr. Simmons say? Something about the liquid in the pond being necessary to control the reaction?
If left unchecked, the energy output could theoretically spiral out of control with devastating consequences.
Whister's a big place, and you never know what you'll find around the next bend.